Let's figure out capital gain yield. To figure out capital gain yield, we should calculate yield to maturity and current yield first, because yield to maturity equals to current yield plus capital gain yield. Capital gain yield equals to what? YTM minus current yield. Let's figure out YTM first. Collect information. Present value, payment, future value. Number of period 9. We do not know the interest rate in this case, trading at flat price. So present value will be 888. Negative sign indicate that cash outflow. Okay. Coupon payment, par value 1000 times coupon payment, coupon rate. Enter. Par value 1000. Let's figure out yield to maturity. Number of period, payment, present value, future value, enter. This will be our YTM. How to figure out current yield? Current yield, annual coupon payment divided by present value. Okay? 888. We good? Enter. You will get current yield. Okay? YTM minus current yield will be capital gain yield. We good?